Right, so after a long wait, the completion of phase 1 of Hassan Centenary Terraces is coming to completion this summer. If you need any financing support to help you buy the house, the time to start is now. We prepared this video to help you get started.
Community Banking Series by Trusted Novus Bank. Welcome to the TNB Guide talking all things affordable homes, or alternatively known as shared ownership. This video has been developed to help you feel better prepared during the purchase journey of your affordable home. Many questions may arise with the purchase of your affordable home. In this video, we are going to consider some of these, such as: how do affordable homes work? What are the pros and cons of part ownership versus full ownership? What does an affordable property come with, and what do you need to plan for? Legal fees and other costs to consider. And do you know where to go if you have a finance need? Let's look at these questions in a little more detail. Number 1. How do affordable homes work? Affordable homes are residential properties built by the government as part of a long-term strategy to make sure that local residents can get onto the property ladder in an affordable way. This is more important than ever as property prices keep rising in Gibraltar, making it difficult for people to buy their first home. So the government builds quality housing at affordable pricing to support our local housing needs. The purpose of affordable homes is not for renting, but to own as a permanent residence within your property. And you can choose to purchase part of the property or all of it, but there are restrictions imposed on the resale of these properties. Number 2. What are the pros and cons of part ownership versus full ownership? Some people purchase 50% and some purchase 100%. The pros and cons of the percentage of ownership would depend mainly on two things. One being if you aim to have the property as your forever home, or as a step upon the property ladder, and the other being how much you can financially commit to the property when you purchase it. So if you wish to live in the property long term and require more funds elsewhere, then owning 50% would probably suit you better. If you can afford to own the property fully, then 100% may be a better suited option. All in all, this decision is down to you, your finances and your needs. Number 3. What does an affordable property come with, and what do you need to plan for? Usually, the property is provided to a basic standard, which requires further fittings and furnishings to be installed by the purchaser. Typically, there will be some sanitary ware provided. However, the purchaser would normally install flooring, a kitchen, amongst other things. It is important to know early in advance just exactly what is supplied within your property, so that you know what you will need to fit once you complete the purchase. Similarly, you should also consider the cost to furnish the property, perhaps including decoration to your own taste, as well as considering the cost of beds, sofas, and other furniture. Do you know what you need, and have you made a budget for these? Number 4. Let's talk legal fees and other costs. Legal fees are an important consideration during any house purchase because you will need a lawyer to help you buy the property. If you take up any type of loan to pay for the property, such as a mortgage, then you will also have bank legal fees, perhaps a valuation fee, and then you have to consider the cost of a loan itself. So overall, you will need to consider the money you will need to buy the property, the money you will need for fittings and furnishings, and all of the other costs that can arise. Number 5. Do you know where to go if you have a finance need? Perhaps you have savings, or you will receive family help, or perhaps you need a local bank to support you. You may be wondering how you are going to pay for all of these costs. It's a lot to take in and a lot to plan for. But Trusted Novus Bank are here to help. You have an experienced and dedicated team who will help you understand your full costs. We can help you understand the finance options available to you, which may include a mortgage to purchase the property and a loan to furnish it. For your mortgage loan, if you're purchasing part of the property, we may be able to offer you a loan for 100% of your purchase price, releasing your payments back to you to help you furnish the property. Each person's situation is different, so come and talk to us to help you understand what options are available to you. Number 6. TNB's commitment to you. TNB are here to support our local community. We understand that when you are purchasing an affordable home, you may have lots of questions. We will help you understand the process. We will help you understand the options available to you. We will provide you with flexibility in choosing different interest rate options, including a fixed rate. We will give you a quick loan approval that covers you right up to purchase, so that all you have to worry about is how you want to furnish your new home. So, all in all, purchasing any home is a big commitment and uncertainty will arise, especially as first time buyers. At Trusted Novus Bank, we understand that buying a property is one of the most important financial decisions you will ever make, and we are here to help.